Hi, and welcome to Neo's Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup tutorial is inspired by Malachite from Steven Universe. First of all, I'm really excited with how this came out. A, because I tried something new, and B, I love this lip combo, and I love this eye, and I'm just like, yes! I'm so excited with how this turned out. Anyway, oh my gosh, I really love how this turned out. I'm like, yeah! I'm like internally just like, yeah! Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling so you can get into this video. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my eyebrows. I primed to set my lids using Dawn from the Subculture palette, and today we're using the Subculture palette. Okay, to first start right above the crease, I'll be taking the shade Edge. Okay, so now we're going to take the shade Destiny and dust that just below. Just below. Okay, so now I'm taking the Sephora Collection number 10 brush and just blending. Okay, now taking the shade Untamed, I'm going to just put that on the outer third and slightly into the crease. Okay, taking the Sephora Collection number 10 brush again, we're just going to blend. Okay, so now I'm going to take a few NYX Prismatic Shadows, two actually, Venom and Jaded. I'm going to put Jaded more on the outer portion of my eye, and Venom on the inner. Again, Sephora Collection number 10, and blend. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to do liner. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this green one, or this green one. I think for contrast, I might use this green one. Possibly. We'll see. I might just use this one. Oh, no, this is dark green. Okay, anyway, I'll be back, and I'll also have a full face on except for under eyes and lids, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back, and I did an ombre liner for the first time. I love how it turned out. This highlight is insane. It is Emerald as a base from the Alchemist palette, and on top is God Tears from Wet n Wild. It is a loose, oh no, Moon Tears. And this is just gorgeous. I can't say anything else, it's just gorgeous. Plus the two blend together so well, I love it. Okay, anyway, I actually really had a fun time doing this ombre liner, but I need to go back to the eyes. Okay, so using the same shades I did in the crease, I'm going to use that underneath the eye with, I think it was Untamed, right? No, Edge, to blend it all out. Okay, so now I'm actually going to take the shade Mermaid by NYX. I'm 3 prismatic shadows, so actually really pretty. And I'm going to pop that on the inner corner and as well as right into that, yeah. Now I'm going to be taking a Sephora Collection Contour Eye Pencil in the shade Good Mood and put that in the waterline. Okay, so I had to let my cousin in and help her with something. So I'm back. Real quickly, I put my mascara on, which is the Lancome HD. Or gave me my little beauty mark. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the lips. So for lipstick today, I'm gonna be taking a Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Metallic Liquid Lipstick in Siren's Jewel. That was a mouthful. This is from the Mermaid Collection. Okay, so I really like that. To make this more fun though, I'm going to add a little bit of LA Splashes Lip Couture in Rhea down the center of my lip. Okay, so now I'm going to set my face with some Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'll be right back. Oh, and I'm also going to let down my hair. Okay, and here we are with the finished look, and I love how this turned out. I'm just like, ooh. I am feeling this too much. Yeah, I'm really feeling this. And I do want to say the tutorial weeks I mentioned in my Holdo video, they're not going to be coming as soon as I wanted. I'm going to be having some family coming in before like in the middle of filming. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to put that to the side for now. After they leave, I'll be able to go all in. So we will be, those tutorial weeks will be coming up soon, I promise. Aside from this, oh my gosh, I really do like this. I love it. Again, I've been loving greens lately, and green's not my favorite color. By the way, yes, new black hair. It's a complicated story. Anyway, I will stop rambling. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. I talk really fast. Aside from that, I don't know what to say, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.